Welcome back, my beautiful friends. So for today's video, we are checking out this smartwatch. So as you guys see on my arm, we already have a smartwatch. So we have one, but I want a second one for my wife. So let's go ahead and check, or not a second one, but I wanted to get a second one for my wife to have. And you guys can pick multiple colors. You got distance, multi-motion mode, calories, time display, reminder, notifications, sleeping monitor, and heart rate monitor. And I'm sure there's plenty of other stuff you guys can do with this. So let's go ahead. Oh, did I say I got this for my wife? She doesn't have to know about it, right? This is actually pretty cool. I kind of want it. So let's open this up and see. So this is actually really nice. It's got the similar design of like a watch, like an actual real watch. You got a manual in here. You got your charging cable. You got your leather strap. Yeah, I think we'll get her another one. We'll get her a pink one or something. I think we're gonna keep this one. Really nice looking. So let's take off the bands that they have around here. Decent length charging cable. So the charging cable is magnetic. So all you do is you connect it like that, and it's magnetic, and it charges the device. Let's go ahead and peel this off. Yeah, this is pretty cool. This actually would look nice when I go out and about. Maybe I'll have to wear... Yeah, I'm definitely going to swap these out. So you peel off the back here. There's a little plastic protecting. And let's go ahead and power this guy on. You guys can check your... Let's see here. Here we go. You guys can, I think, yeah, there's an app that you download with it. So you guys can download the app. The watch is charged and activated. Okay. So the watch can be activated once you put it in the charge port. So, you know, it's USB charge, any charging port. All right, it vibrated. Oh, man, that's cool. That's actually really crisp and clear. I know the camera is not going to be able to show. Wow, that is cool. Wow. This is really cool. This is really cool. So the camera's not going to be able to show it. I mean, the GoPro here that we're using to record the quality. But let me tell you guys something. This is really nice. And you can turn it on and off. You can adjust. The battery might have died, so we gotta get this charging back up here. You're definitely gonna want to charge it up. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It just comes up when you're charging. Yeah, you definitely want to charge it up and then install the app and go through there, because you don't want it dying on you when you're in the app. So we're just gonna leave it charging for a while. We can actually set the band up and show you guys how that works. It's actually just pins on the bands. There's a little lever here that you pull back, and you pull that back, and then you slide. You just slide this up in. So let's go ahead and show you guys. If that's gonna be up, let's see. We want the open one. If you put it in wrong, it's not a big deal. You guys can redo it then. But there's going to be a pin inside here, and you just simply line up the one side of the pin. You stick it in, and then you pull the pin back and slide this in, and I'll see you guys in a while. But yeah, you know, download the app, and you can sync it up. You can connect it. There's a call function, so you guys can call with this. You guys can, you know, link it with your phone. You have a whole bunch of different stuff that you guys can do with this. I mean, you got a voice assistant, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, music control, camera control. That's awesome. Weather information, body temperature, breathing exercises, sleeping, regular exercising. Pretty awesome, guys. You can do a lot of stuff with it. So I'm probably actually gonna charge this and then just test it for a week for you guys. I don't like technology, like stuff like this. I like to try it out for a week, so I'm just gonna jump right into that. See you guys in a week. Okay guys, we are back. As you guys can see, I'm wearing the watch. I decided to keep it for myself. Honestly, I love the fact you can change the faces on it. You can go through all your steps. You can go through cycling. It's touch screen. So as we're here touching it and moving it, you can go through all these stuff. You can set stuff up, guys. Overall, absolutely love this. I mean, I absolutely love this a lot. It is a nice watch, smart watch. I've tested out some of the features. They seem to all work good. You can do the app. You can set stuff how you want. If you press and hold, you can swap the face to other things. I mean, you can swipe to the left. And we go ahead and show you guys. We just put it on today, so it's a new day. You can enable phone calls, AI voice, health. You can swipe up, down, left, right, syncing it with your phone. Right now we have our Bluetooth turned off on our phone, so that's why a lot of the stuff's not synced up. Once you sync your phone and you have your Bluetooth on your phone, I mean, you got steps, heart rate, I mean, you just everything. Game, there's game on here. There's so much that you guys can do. I mean, young bird, you got all these different stuff. So many things you can do with this watch, guys. It is amazing. Step up. I mean, it is awesome. I absolutely love this thing. You can power it off. You can download the app. You know, you can get your, oh yeah, that's right. I wanted to remind everyone, if you go under the settings, you can get your app barcode and scan it that way if you want to install it that way. And if you press and hold the power button, so if you press it and you hold it, you have the option of turning off your device. I mean, overall, it goes good with outfits. It's nice, very impressive. The steps seem to work, you know, as good as all the other ones. Overall, very nice. We're gonna power it off because it's actually been a while since I've charged it. Actually, when was the last time I charged this? Wow, I think I've been having this on for at least 4 days without charging it. Wow. Overall, guys, I love it.